In fact, we're getting you more details on the NEET paper leak case, and this story is developing from the state of Bihar. It's a big development here. Bihar government has assured new law for NEET paper leaks. Probe team to match the question papers. In connection with the NEET paper leak case, the EOU team investigating the paper leak in Patna is going to be in Delhi today. This is from our sources, where we picked up that the investigation team is going to be matching the original NEET question paper with the NTA. The investigation team will match the burned question papers found during the paper leak case in Patna. The EOU investigation had asked NTA to provide the original question paper on the 21st of May itself. But in spite of 28 days having passed, NTA has not provided the original question paper. After the evasive attitude of the NTA, the EOU investigation team has itself come into action and has decided to go to Delhi and match the papers.
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है और बिहार में तो हम लोग इस पर कानून भी आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री के नेतृत्व में नीट के जो लोग भी इस तरह के प्रस्फुटित लीक मामले में हैं, सब पे कार्रवाई करने का निर्देश दिया गया।
तरीके से नीट की परीक्षा में जो गड़बड़ी हुई,
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है और बिहार में तो हम लोग इस पर कानून भी आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री के नेतृत्व में नीट के जो लोग भी इस तरह के प्रस्फुटित लीक मामले में हैं, सब पे कार्रवाई करने का निर्देश दिया गया।
तरीके से नीट की परीक्षा में जो गड़बड़ी हुई,
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है।
Going to go straight across to Aditya Weber for more details on that big story. Aditya, take us through the investigations, because it is in your state of Bihar where several concerns have been raised, and not just concerns. There have been proof as well which indicates that possibly there was paper leak, hands were greased, and that there has been a fraudulent practice involving the NEET exams here and some students.
Well, exactly, Sneha. As far as the case of Patna is concerned, of course, things are very clear as far as the ensuing investigation of the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar is concerned. Notable is the fact that it all started with a crackdown by Shastri Nagar police in an area under the same police station, and we have been given to understand that after repeated crackdown and several raids, it was given to understand that as many as 13 people, including candidates, their parents, and also gang members, have been arrested by the EOU and Patna police so far. But that being said, we've been given to understand that after the NTA chose not to send the reference question papers, while it actually responded to the EOU queries with the details of candidates, now that the EOU officials are planning to move to Delhi and to expedite the case with the NTA themselves. But this is something that is transpiring from informed sources, and we'll have to wait and see exactly when the team actually embarks for Delhi. But notable is the fact that the way NTA has been responding as far as the entire alleged NEET question paper leak is concerned, this actually raises several questions on the way the entire functioning has been done, because they chose to reply the EOU after several days passed and after media technically raised the issue promptly. And notable is the fact that even it responded to the queries, it did not respond in totality, in completion.
The NTA was not responsive, is what is being said by the investigative agencies here looking into this matter involving paper leak in connection with the NEET exams. Thanking you, Aditya, for putting that into perspective.